Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account for user testing in 2025. This type of account is used to test transactions in a development or sandbox environment. It is not a real PayPal account for sending or receiving real money. Instead, it is useful if you are building or testing an online store, an app, or any software that integrates PayPal payments. First, open your web browser and go to developer.paypal.com. This is the official PayPal developer site. If you already have a PayPal account, you can sign in with it. If not, click the Sign Up button and create one. You can use your real email and password to create this developer account. Once signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Now, we will create a Sandbox account. In the left menu, look for the section called Sandbox. Under that, click on Accounts. This is where you can create and manage test accounts for PayPal. On this page, click the Create Account button. You will see a form to create a Sandbox account. First, choose the account type. You can choose between personal and business. For most testing, it is a good idea to create both types. Let's start by selecting Personal for a seller account. Choose a country for the account. Most people select the United States. You can leave the default balance as it is or change it. The balance is fake money used only for testing. Next, enter an email address. This can be any fake email address. The system will use this email in the sandbox only. Then, choose a password. After that, click the Create Account button. PayPal will now create a fake business account that you can use for testing. Now you should see both accounts listed in the Sandbox Account section. Each account will have a View Edit Account button. Click that to see more details. You can see the email, password, and API credentials. The API credentials are useful if your app connects to PayPal through code. If you want to test logging into PayPal during checkout, use the email and password you created for the Sandbox account. Go to sandbox.paypal.com and use these credentials. This is a fake version of the PayPal website. You can simulate buying a product, sending money, or checking your balance. Nothing here is real. It is all for testing only. That's all you need to create a PayPal test account. Use the developer dashboard to manage your Sandbox users. Use sandbox.paypal.com to simulate real PayPal interactions. This setup is safe, free, and separate from your real PayPal account.